Welcome to what is hopefully the first of many of these little game dev vlogs. Hopefully in a year from now I can look back on this video and see how far I've come. I have Godot, I have Aseperite, which you can see I have used before. I also have my Visual Studio, so I feel like I have all the tools. I'm ready to go. I have a basic idea of what I want to achieve. I have in my head a basic theme. I have in my head also what kind of art I wish to use. My first task, at least for tonight, will be to get the character down. I feel I'll design the character. I'll show you doing that if you're interested, and I will get back to talking to you at the end of the night once my character is created. So I'll see you then. I appear to have got the character in at least his pretty much default idle position, pretty much sorted. For those that can tell, or that can't tell, my game is going to be jiu-jitsu related in some way, shape or form. So I decided to make the default character, but then also make him in white, black and blue gis, and then at white, blue, purple, brown and black belt. And I think it turned out pretty nice, actually. As you can see from the iPad that you can see on the side, I took inspiration from a character just to sort of understand how some people do a character. Then I kind of ran with it. Obviously now I will need to actually animate the guy. I want to animate first, I think, just a sort of idle position. And then I'll go through running positions. But yeah, here's the character. Hopefully you think he looks kind of nice. I think he looks kind of cool.
Feel the presence in the air, in the tree of blues around. A couple players from the south in Tennessee. We bring the sound to tell you high till we die. Look what don't be scared and smoke. Kick back, drink a beer and smoke. So break these birthdays smoke. Yes, some players been up from early on. I look to see and since a kid it's been the same. I'm getting fucked up till my head. Grew up buried like a butcher. Know it like that will get better. So I'll take this time that I got left to bring the world some terror. Burgers for a day and for my sins. Fucking Jason to the devil. All I know is evil shit. Dealing heavy with the struggle. Got some demons on my back. Seem to step in every puddle. Slowly drifting in the bed. In the south, rain blood. Till I say that I'll abide. The gypsy bends a hand is meant to guide me through the night. Learn my lessons from the dead. The world that showed me I believe that this realm is just a pebble. That the belly of the beast have no conscience.
You know, we started tonight off with absolutely nothing, and now we have to me, what is very good animation. So we have all 3 gi colors plus every belt, all animated. So here is an example. Here is the running, idle, followed by attack for the black gi white belt. And that goes the same for every one of them, which I think is pretty nice. I really think I nailed the belt colours as well. They're very sort of realistic. The black is a bit faded compared to everything else. I think the purple especially is a really nice purple, and the blue for what the belts actually are. The white's the white's white, but yeah, I think this is really good. I think what I'm going to focus on tomorrow is probably the tiles, at least the flooring, because I've tried to make games before, and for me the best way to do it is do the art first. I know that's probably completely wrong, but as soon as I start developing the game, I feel a lot better if my character is my character and he's walking on the proper floor. The overall premise of what I feel the game is going to be is essentially just, you know, you pick your gi color and then you go off, you start at white belt, you battle through an area which is a gym per se. You fight the boss at the end, who will always be 1 belt above you, so the first one will be a blue belt. You'll beat him, you'll then get your blue belt. So for the next stage, you'll be a blue belt, you'll fight through, then you'll beat a purple belt, so on and so forth until you fight the big bad black belt at the end, in which you become a black belt. I think that's a good premise for a game, at least at the start. We can obviously expand on it greatly, but I feel like it shouldn't be too difficult to create basic a sort of gym area, you know, wood, mats, shelving for medals and bottles. I think it would look quite nice, so I'm looking forward to this. Please let me know in the comments if I'm doing it wrong, because, well, there isn't really a wrong way to do it, but if you feel there's a better way for me to be doing things, then please let me know, because whereas I do have development experience and I think I'm quite creative, I could be doing something completely wrong. So yeah. So yeah, any help that you can give me is greatly appreciated. But I intend to keep doing this. Hopefully the vlogs will keep me sort of on track. But until next time, guys, I hope you have a nice night.